In this video, we will learn about constant acceleration in rectilinear motion for JEE and NEET. All of us know that when a particle moves in a straight line, it is called rectilinear motion, and when it has constant acceleration, then equations like v equals to u plus at, s is ut plus half at square, and v square is equal to u square plus 2s works. We remember these equations because these are of great help to us. Instead of solving every time, we simply put data in these equations and obtain the result. In this video, we are exploring these equations, and simultaneously we will emphasize the need for average. Average of physical quantities or mathematical quantities are of great help. Average is a constant value which remain same for the entire interval. Here the velocity is given by u plus at. The power of time is 1. So whenever the variable depends on another variable having power 1, then the average of the quantity, which in this case is velocity, is given by initial plus final by 2. That is, in such cases we can take average velocity, because average velocity can be simply calculated here, and average velocity mean a constant velocity for the entire journey. Now say if I wish to find displacement of the particle, then displacement will be equal to average velocity multiplied by journey time t. So here we are saving ourselves from solving quadratic equation in ut plus half at square. Simply find the average velocity and multiply it with time. In many questions, it is of great help using average velocity and using that average velocity to find displacement of the particle. Let us see few examples. A particle moves along axis with constant acceleration. Say it has initial velocity u and it stops in time t. Then its displacement will be. So the average velocity here will be equal to initial plus final by 2, that is u by 2, and therefore displacement will be equal to average velocity into time t, that is equal to u by 2 into t. Let us take another example. Say a particle has initial velocity 10 meter per second and final velocity 30 meter per second, and it travels a distance of 40 meter. Then its journey time with constant acceleration will be. So here the average velocity will be equal to 10 plus 30 by 2, which is 20 meter per second, and displacement is average velocity into time, that is displacement is 40, average velocity is 20, time is t, or time is 2 seconds. So using average velocity in many questions are of great help. The importance of average velocity in rectilinear motion with constant acceleration further increases with the fact that the average velocity is obtained by the particle at mid-time. Say a particle moves in a straight line with constant acceleration, has initial velocity u, final velocity v, and the journey time is t. Then when the particle has traveled for time t by 2, the velocity of the particle becomes equal to the average velocity. This fact is of great help in questions, and in many previous year questions this fact could be used to find answer easily. The velocity at the half time, that is at t by 2, will be equal to v1 is equal to initial plus final by 2. Thank you.